Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and tonight we're just doing a quick, easy meal with tostada shells. I am using the Guerrero Tostadas and the Guerrero Tostadas Raspadas. They're two different types. This one is supposed to be thinner and crispier, and this one here is the one that I usually get, just the regular tostadas. This one is the Raspada. So, I had to make them both ways to give them both a try. I'm not eating. I already cut them in half for the taste test. You'll see them together or in the thumbnail. And, you know, that's too much for me to have for one night. So let me show you how I put these together, and then we'll come back and do a taste test. We're going to flip these over, skin side down. And I'm going to turn up the Z-Grill to 375. And that should get us done. Right, so it's only been about 30 minutes. Check the temp on these. They're running right around 165, which is great. But now I'm going to throw my cast iron pan in here. I got about 4 tablespoons of butter, a little bit of avocado oil. What I want to do is get this nice and hot, and then we'll put the skin side down and get some crispy skin going. Alright, it's been about 4 minutes. I can hear them sizzling. I'm not going to get them, well, yeah, they're pretty crunchy. So I'm going to stick them in this tray, skin side back up. Drizzling with some red chili honey. It's been 5 more minutes. And we finish before dark. How's that? Cycle. Let me get these in and let them rest a few minutes. And that. Okay, so with our smoked chicken thighs, what I'm going to do is just cut one up. This is a very easy weeknight dinner, if you will. You want to just take the chicken off of that bone. Oh yeah. Looks delicious. All right, and then it does have a little tip right there. I got to get out of there. I don't want to chew that up. A little cartilage on the end from that bone. Okay, so now I just want to chop this up, skin and all. Okay, let me just grab this one right here. Move this over. That's right, we're cutting up that crispy skin too. All right, there we go. There's some meat for us for our super easy tostadas. Chicken tostadas, barbecued or smoked chicken thighs for our meat on our tostadas. Okay, so I've showed you these before, and I was going to use, and I might just make one with this, the Guerrero Tostadas. Guerrero, if you don't want to roll your R's, Guerrero tostada shells. But I was at the store the other day, and I saw Guerrero makes these tostadas raspadas. Raspadas. Anyway, so they're just basically they're larger and lighter, and kind of got like a bubbly texture on them. So I'm going to use one of these. I'm going to get one that's a little more flat. I'm going to use one of those, and, you know, just for comparison, maybe I should just use one of these yellow corn ones, too. I guess it's not too much bigger. The bag, they look bigger in the bag, so they're probably about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch larger all the way around. Okay, so tostadas are super easy, right? All right, so I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use some spicy jalapeño rosarita refried beans. I just heated these up in the microwave. You can make them fresh. I usually would make them fresh, but this is just for, you know, weeknight dinner. Get your refried beans on there. If you don't like beans, well, you don't have to put them on, but I like refried beans, these spicy ones especially, the jalapeno ones. So I'm going to get my refried beans spread out all the way across. You can go as thick or as thin as you'd like. Okay. Next, I'm going to put my chicken. I might not have needed 2 of them, but I'm going to load these up. Now with tostadas, you can put just about anything you want on them. I am not opting for the lettuce and tomato. I want these to just be chickeny. Chickeny, is that a word? And then for instead of a salsa, or for my salsa, I'm going to use some of this Herdez Verde, original Verde sauce. This stuff's pretty good. I don't know if you've ever seen it at the store. It's their Tortilla Street sauce, and this is the Verde. I have some of the other ones, and they're really good. And this one packs a lot of flavor. They're not real spicy, for those of you that are worried about it being too hot. And of course, I'm going to use my the Chihuahua by Supremo shredded cheese that I love. And I'm going to actually pop this in the microwave for about, 30 seconds. And try to get the cheese melt a little bit. And that's going to be my tostada. I'm going to make another one with this tostada shell. And then we'll do a taste test. There you go. Both tostadas, different shells. I'm going to zap them both, and we'll see on the taste test. Got myself a scoop of some Spanish rice, homemade. And this is one of them right here. Let's see if I can get the other one on the plate. And there we go. Looks like they're both going to fit. The tostada raspada. Rolling the R's is not always easy. Tostada raspada. And this is just the regular tostada shell that they have. All right, so pretty easy, right? We got tostadas, chicken tostadas from grilled or smoked chicken thighs that I did out on the pellet smoker. Chopped them up, diced them up, added some Rosarita jalapeno refried beans, some Herdez Verde sauce, the Tortilla Street sauce that they have, and just cheese. I didn't put any lettuce, sour cream, tomatoes, anything like that. You can put that if you want, but I loaded it up with chicken. So let's take a bite. This one's just the regular yellow corn tostada shell. I knew that would be amazing. Tastes so good. That Verde sauce is really good too, but man, that chicken. Whoo. That chicken's got some red chili honey on it as well. Let's see if I can get this thinner, crispier one. They're not as crispy because I zapped them in the microwave. I will say both are very good. How do you say that? The Raspadas one, the little bigger one, it does have a different flavor, but it's very tasty. That's actually got some really good flavor. So if you see these in the store, definitely give them a try. And if not, just regular tostada shells. You know, Mission makes them as well. I like these. These are made in Mexico. And of course, I got some Spanish rice on there. Anyway, I'm going to go enjoy these. Tostadas are a great, easy, quick meal to make during the week and inexpensive. All right. Thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. I hope you make these. Come back, see what we've got next.